Cricket is a popular game nowadays. I am fond of playing cricket. I am member of the school 11. I am also fond of watching a cricket match. Last Sunday I saw a fine cricket match played between the school team and the college team. A large number of people came to see the match. Both teams were strong. The captains of both the teams entered the field. There was a toss. The captain of the school team won the toss. So the college team took the field and the school team went in first to bat. The two batsmen who went in the first were very good players. We had high hopes from them. But the bowling was strong. So they could not score even a single run for the first 10 minutes. In the next 15 minutes, they scored only 10 runs. Then one player was caught out. The next two batsmen were also out from the wicket-keeper very quickly. All of us thought that the whole school team would soon be out. The score stood at 50. The captain made a stand and he was able to pull up the score to a century. The whole 11 was out for 160 runs. We felt that the school team would lose. We knew that the college team has some really good batsmen. But they had to fight a hard battle totally against our expectations. The school team had a bowler who was very tricky. The college team did a weak beginning. Their first wicket fell in about 10 minutes. Their score stood 5. They looked nervous, but their captain was a good batsman. He had took up the score to 80. He was caught out. After him, wickets fell one after another. But when the 9th and the 10th batsmen came to bat, there was some hope. They hit again and again till the score reached 100. At last, one fine catch sent one of the fast scorers off the field. But the last batsman was a very tough player.